Welcome to another video where I will be talking about Scratchpad. The idea of Scratchpad is very simple. Most time when we're working on projects and you need to test out a simple snippet of code, or you need to copy something out for another use case, or maybe you just need to import something. I find myself doing this and writing files, or maybe using my Mac Notepad, or maybe even creating a test file here and just call it test. But the problem with this is I could have many scratch files and I don't want to push it to Git. Like you can see here, it would require me to commit or maybe push or discard it, and that was a problem I was facing. So I came up with MyScratchPad, and this is a way for me to keep track of files without having to bother about when I commit or those kind of actions. And my Scratchpad just got better with a lot of new features, as you can see in the changelog. So we have a simplified creation flow. You don't need to select the extension, select this, select that, just create it at once, and we have some other features I'll be showing. I would install it. You can install it on any IDE or VS Code or whatever. Currently we're on 0.0.17, and that is the latest version. You can install it and check it out. So I can immediately come here and create a new workspace scratchpad, which is my favorite because I get to keep things in scope with a project. New feature, and so yeah, you can easily create this and don't have to do so much. And you can see I have sample markdown files, and one of the major features that we have implemented, it's let me show you. So take for example, I copy the code online. I'm just gonna copy this real quick, and I want to create a new scratchpad. I can come here and say new scratchpad, and maybe it's just put in the content that I copied there, so you don't need to do pasting or whatever. Another feature that you can do now is that right from the code, I have the license here. I'll just right click on this, and I'll right click on this and select create global or workspace. I'm going to create global, and you can see it uses license scratch automatically. I just need to specify .md, and it creates a new global scratchpad here. So you can see these are just some scratchpad I have, right? And that's not all. One more feature you can do is you can immediately come to your file here, right click on it, and say create the global workspace. Once you create and it says the name, you save it. So you can see that you can create scratchpad from almost anything now, from whatever. From a file you can copy context, you can even do the create new scratch file, and you can put that there also. Now, some other feature that we've added is the fact that you can use the scratchpad context as a context for Cody AI. Cody AI is one of my the AI I use frequently when building, and I use it also when building this. I have the scratch file. I can right click on it and say add to Cody AI, and it automatically adds to Cody AI. You just need to make sure that your code is installed, and I can explain this code base to me, the code I give to it. And you can also use it for more streamlined content. Maybe you are planning something, you need to plan a new feature, and it can help you out with that. More features are gonna be rolling out. If you have a feature you want us to build out, you want to see, you'd like to use, feel free to drop a comment either on the YouTube, wherever you see this. I'll definitely ship it out. Yeah, thank you. Stay tuned for more feature.